can you really clean your sneakers with just a few household items? Yes, you can, and I'll be comparing laundry detergent versus Castile soap. Two main items that you need obviously are the laundry detergent or Castile soap, and then you could use a toothbrush, or if you do have a brush, it really is ideal, and then a water bowl, a microfiber towel, and a grout brush. This grout brush was $1 at the Dollar General. You can get a lot of these scrub brushes online pretty much anywhere. Here's how the shoes look currently, so they're pretty disgusting. I'll be testing Castile soap first. After you have wiped off any of the excess dirt on your shoe, you can then start cleaning, and I'm using a soft brush. For this video, it'll be a cleaning comparison, but I'm gonna do a part 2, and it'll be unyellowing soles, uncreasing your toe box, and a repaint. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. I love doing comparison videos, so what 2 sneaker cleaners should I compare next? Go ahead, drop a comment below. Once your shoe is nicely wiped with a clean microfiber towel, you could see how it is still not perfect. The laces are also yucky. I'm trying to do a better job of cleaning, but honestly, laces are pretty cheap. I would just recommend getting a new one, but if you want to go ahead and keep on cleaning it, go for it. Here's the ingredients: coconut oil, organic olive oil, jojoba oil, hemp oil. So a lot of oils to help moisturize the shoe because they are made of leather and you do not want them to crack. But this is still not spotless. Compared to the other one, it does look better, but it's not perfect. You can still see all that staining down there. Now keep in mind, these shoes have been worn for like a year and a half, so it does look a lot better, but it's not quite ideal yet. The side-by-side comparison is obviously a big difference, but that's because the other shoe isn't cleaned yet. But after it dries is the real test. The soles of the shoes are still really disgusting, but that is to be expected as these are older shoes. It is far from being pristine, which is why I'm going to be showing you how to whiten your soles in the next video. As for making sure that the shoes are completely dry, I recommend putting it outside in the sun. Others would recommend not putting it in direct sunlight because it can increase the yellowing. And now on to cleaning the other shoe with laundry detergent. You could pretty much use any type of detergent. I'm just using like a simple clean one that doesn't have any added fragrances, but you can really do whatever you want. Make sure that your brushes are clean. You don't want to be using your dirty brushes that you use to clean the other one on this, so make sure you clean it. Make sure that it's always brand new water too. And when you wipe your sneakers with a microfiber towel, always make sure that you're using a new clean one. Obviously this is not perfect, but it is a lot better, but we're gonna see how it dries. You can see that sole of the toe, it's still really dirty, and the tongue of the shoe isn't perfect either. The soles look pretty gross, but it has been worn for, I believe it's a year and a half. Don't hold me to it, but this is how they dried. And this is so gross to me. It has not dried well. This is the Castile soap one, and I just said, screw it. I'm gonna put it in a bag. Make sure you always put it in a bag. It helps to protect your shoe. You're gonna put it in the bag, wash it with the normal detergent that you use, then you're going to dry it. Make sure you hook it this way, otherwise it'll bounce around your dryer and it could jack up your dryer. And before you all come for me saying, it's gonna cause sole separation, blah, blah, blah. Listen, it'll be fine. I'm not gonna wear these shoes in 10 years. This looks almost brand new right now, so I'm really, really happy with it, but here's the before and after. The moment you've all been waiting for, the final results and my thoughts. Is it perfect? No. Is it better? Oh yes. Overall, I'm gonna say that the laundry detergent has won. The shoes do not look perfect, but they look a ton better. I learned from my friend Chris of Puppy Shoelo that what you're actually supposed to do when using the Castile soap, you're supposed to get it real sudsy and just use the soapy part to clean your shoes. So I kind of messed that up, but full transparency, I guess I need to redo it with the Castile soap. Overall, the detergent works great, so why am I going to change it? But the Castile soap does have some moisturizing properties for your leather. Maybe that's the better bet. Anyways, check out the new video that will show you how to unyellow, uncrease, and repaint your shoes. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy creating.
Are you still there? I'm gonna link all the stuff you can use in the description below. Okay, bye-bye.